Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Daily English Loop, the place where learning English is not just easy, but also a lot of fun. I'm your host, Alex.
And I'm Lisa. Hi, everyone. It is so great to be back.
Lisa, you are looking full of energy today. How are you doing?
Oh, I am doing fantastic. Thank you, Alex. The sun is shining. I went for a morning run, and I'm feeling great. How about you? How is your day going?
I'm good. A little bit sleepy, to be honest, but that is exactly why I am happy about our topic today. I need my caffeine fix.
I can see that. You are definitely a coffee person, aren't you, Alex?
Oh, absolutely. I cannot start my day without a good cup of coffee. It wakes my brain up. But Lisa, I know you are a bit different, right? You prefer tea.
Yes, I am definitely a tea lover. I love a nice, relaxing cup of Earl Grey or maybe a matcha latte. It makes me feel calm and ready for the day.
That sounds very nice. Whether you like coffee like me or tea like Lisa, today's topic is useful for everyone. Today, we are talking about real English at the coffee shop.
Yes, this is such a practical topic. Coffee shops are everywhere. It doesn't matter if you are in New York, London, or Sydney, you will probably visit a coffee shop.
Exactly. And for many English learners, ordering a drink can feel a little bit scary. The menu is big, the baristas speak fast, and there are so many choices.
It can be overwhelming, but don't worry. We are going to break it down into small, easy steps so you can order like a pro.
Before we dive in, we have a small favor to ask. If you haven't subscribed to Daily English Loop yet, please hit that subscribe button now.
Yes, please do. And give us a big thumbs up if you like this episode. Share it with your friends who are learning English too. The more, the merrier.
Thank you so much, guys. Your support really helps us keep making these lessons. All right, Lisa, let's imagine we are walking into a coffee shop right now.
Okay, I'm imagining it. I can smell the coffee beans already.
When you walk up to the counter, the first thing you need to do is the greeting. What do you usually hear from the barista, Lisa?
Usually, they are very friendly. They might say, "Hi, what can I get for you?" Or maybe, "Hello, are you ready to order?"
Right, and you don't need to say anything complicated. A simple hi or hello is perfect.
Exactly. Keep it simple. You can say, "Hi, how are you?" if you want to be extra friendly.
And then, when you are ready to order, there's a magic phrase we use. Lisa, what is the most polite way to start your order?
I love this phrase. You should say, "I'd like," or "I would like."
Yes, I'd like a coffee. It sounds much better than I want a coffee. I want can sound a little bit rude or too direct.
Right. "I'd like" is soft and polite. You can also say, "Can I have?" or "Could I get?"
Those are great too. Can I have a latte or I'd like a tea?
Okay, Alex, since you are the coffee expert, tell us about the sizes. This is where people get confused.
Oh, the sizes, yes. Sometimes shops use fancy names like tall or grande, but in most places, you can just use standard words.
What are the standard words?
You can simply say small, medium, or large. Every barista will understand that.
That is good to know. So I can say, "I'd like a medium tea."
Perfect. And I would say, I'd like a large coffee because I need the energy.
You really do. Okay, so we have the greeting and the size. What about the type of drink?
Well, if you just ask for coffee, they might ask you what kind. There are so many options.
True. For coffee, you have espresso, americano, latte, cappuccino. Alex, what is your favorite?
I usually go for a simple Americano or dark roast coffee, but if I want something milky, I order a latte.
A latte has a lot of milk, right?
Yes, it's espresso with steamed milk. And for you, Lisa, since you like tea, what do you order?
I usually order an English breakfast tea or maybe a green tea. And in the summer, I love an iced tea.
Ah, that's a very important point. Hot or cold? You need to specify that.
Yes, if you don't say anything, they will usually give you a hot drink. If you want it cold, you must say the word iced.
Like iced coffee or iced latte.
Or for me, an iced green tea.
Okay, let's practice this part. I will be the barista, and Lisa, you are the customer.
I'm ready.
Hello, welcome to the cafe. What can I get for you today?
Hi, I'd like a medium hot tea, please.
Excellent. That was very clear. Medium hot tea.
It's actually a simple formula. Size plus temperature plus drink.
That is a great tip. Size, temperature, drink. Large iced coffee. Small hot chocolate.
Exactly. It makes it so easy to remember.
Now, Alex needs some food with his coffee. I'm getting hungry just talking about it.
Me too. Coffee shops usually have great pastries. Cookies, muffins, croissants.
I love a good croissant. It goes perfectly with coffee. How do I order that?
You can just add it to your sentence. You can say, and a croissant, please.
Or maybe, can I also have a blueberry muffin?
Oh, blueberry muffins are delicious. Alex, do you like your pastries warmed up?
Yes, definitely. A warm croissant is the best. How do I ask for that?
You can ask, can you warm that up for me?
Can you warm that up? That is a very useful phrase.
Yes. Or sometimes the barista will ask you, would you like that warmed up? And you just say, yes, please.
Okay, so let's try a full order now. Lisa, you be the barista this time. I need my coffee and my croissant.
Okay. Good morning, sir. Are you ready to order?
Good morning. Yes, I'd like a large hot coffee and a plain croissant, please.
Would you like the croissant warmed up?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Perfect. See? That was so smooth, Alex.
Thanks. It feels easier when you practice it. Now, after we order, we have to pay.
The sad part. Just kidding. Paying is easy. The barista will tell you the total price.
They might say that will be $5.50, or your total is $8.
And then you pay. Usually you can use cash or card.
A common question they ask is cash or card?
And you just answer with your choice. Card, please. Or I'll pay with cash.
These days, many people use their phones too, right? Like Apple Pay?
Yes, you can ask, do you take Apple Pay? Or can I pay with my phone? Most places say yes. It's very convenient.
Another question the barista will almost always ask you is about where you want to eat.
Oh, right. The famous question, for here or to go?
This confuses beginners sometimes. For here means you want to sit inside the coffee shop and drink it there.
And to go means you want to take it with you, maybe to work or back home.
Exactly. In some countries, they might say takeaway instead of to go, but to go is very common in American English. So if the barista asks for here or to go, you just say to go, please.
Or for here, please.
Simple. Now let's talk about customizing your drink. This is for the people who are a bit particular, like me.
Oh, how do you like your coffee, Alex?
Well, I don't like sugar in my coffee. I like it black, but sometimes I want extra milk.
Okay, so you can say, no sugar, please, or with room for milk.
With room for milk? What does that mean?
That means they leave a little empty space at the top of the cup so you can pour the milk in yourself.
Ah, that is a great phrase, room for milk. What about you, Lisa? Do you put milk in your tea?
Sometimes, but I don't drink dairy milk. I prefer plant-based milk, like oat milk or almond milk.
That is very popular now. How do you order that?
You just ask for it. Can I have an oat milk latte? Or do you have almond milk?
Does it cost extra?
Sometimes, yes. They might say, oat milk is 50 cents extra. Is that okay? And you say, yes, that's fine.
Got it. So don't be afraid to ask for what you want. Extra hot, no ice, less sugar.
Yes, baristas are used to these requests. Just remember to be polite. Use please and thank you.
Politeness is key. It makes the whole interaction better.
Alex, what if we need to ask a question? Like if I need the internet?
Ah, the Wi-Fi question.
Very important for digital nomads. You can simply ask, "Do you have Wi-Fi?"
And if they have a password?
You can ask, "What is the Wi-Fi password?" Or, "Could you tell me the password, please?"
Great. What about the restroom?
You can ask, "Excuse me, where is the restroom?" In some places, they call it the bathroom or toilet.
Restroom is very safe and polite in the US. What if the cafe is really crowded and I want to sit down?
You might need to ask someone if a chair is free. You can point to a chair and ask, "Is anyone sitting here?"
Or, is this seat taken?
Yes. If they say no, then you can sit down. Okay, Lisa, I think we have covered all the main points. Should we do a big role play? A full conversation?
Let's do it. This time, let's make it a little bit complicated to challenge ourselves.
Challenge accepted. I will be the customer this time. I'm very thirsty and hungry.
Okay, I am the barista at the Daily English Loop Cafe. Welcome. Hi there. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, thanks. How are you?
I'm great. What can I get started for you?
I'd like a large iced latte, please, but could I have that with oat milk instead of regular milk?
Sure thing. One large iced oat latte with oat milk. Would you like any flavors in that? Maybe vanilla or caramel?
No, thank you. Just plain. Oh, actually, can I also get a chocolate chip cookie?
Absolutely. A large iced oat latte and a chocolate chip cookie. Anything else for you?
No, that's all.
Okay. For here or to go?
To go, please.
Great. That will be $8.50, please.
Here is my card.
Thank you. Here is your receipt. We will call your name when your drink is ready. Can I get your name?
Yes, it's Alex.
Thanks, Alex. It will be ready in just a minute at the end of the counter.
Thank you very much.
See? That was perfect. You included the greeting, the order, the customization with oat milk, the food, and the payment.
And you asked for my name. That happens a lot in coffee shops like Starbucks, right?
Yes, they write your name on the cup so they don't mix up the orders. It's important to listen for your name.
Sometimes they spell it wrong, which is always funny.
That is part of the experience.
Lisa, what do you think is the biggest mistake beginners make in coffee shops?
I think the biggest mistake is being too shy. They might mumble or speak too quietly because they are afraid of making a mistake.
I agree. Confidence is important. Even if you use the wrong word, the barista wants to understand you. They will help you.
Exactly. If you don't understand something the barista says, just ask. Say, "Sorry, can you repeat that?"
Or, could you speak a little slower, please? There's no shame in asking.
Another tip is to practice before you go. You can role play with a friend, like we just did.
Or even talk to yourself in the mirror. "I'd like a coffee. I'd like a tea." It helps your mouth get used to the words.
That's great advice. And you can also just listen. When you're in line, listen to what other people are ordering.
Passive listening. That is very smart. You can learn cool phrases just by eavesdropping a little bit.
Eavesdropping means listening to other people's conversations secretly. But in this case, it's for education.
Strictly for educational purposes.
Alex, do you have a favorite coffee shop order that you get every time, or do you change it up?
I'm a creature of habit. I usually stick to my Americano, but in the winter, around Christmas, I might get a peppermint mocha.
Ooh, festive. I love that. I like trying the seasonal drinks, too.
That is another thing you can ask the barista. Do you have any seasonal drinks? Or what do you recommend?
What do you recommend is a fantastic question if you don't know what to order. It starts a nice conversation, too.
It does. Baristas usually love sharing their favorites. So, to summarize for our listeners today,
Step 1, greet the barista. Say hi.
Step 2, use the phrase, "I'd like," or "Can I have?" Step 3, remember the formula. Size plus temperature plus drink. Large iced coffee.
Step 4, specify for here or to go.
And step 5, be polite with please and thank you.
If you follow these steps, you will be totally fine. You will get your delicious drink and feel proud of your English.
And remember to smile. A smile is the same in every language.
That is so true. It makes everything easier.
Well, Lisa, talking about all this coffee has made me really want to go to a cafe now.
Me too. I think I need that matcha latte now.
Before we go, we have a question for you, our listeners. We want to know, what is your favorite drink to order at a coffee shop?
Yes. Are you a coffee person like Alex or a tea person like me? Or maybe you like hot chocolate?
Let us know in the comments below. We love reading your answers. It's really fun to see what you guys like.
And don't forget to practice. Next time you pass a coffee shop, go inside and order something in English. You can do it.
Yes, be brave. Thank you so much for joining us today on Daily English Loop. We hope this episode helps you feel more confident.
It was great chatting with you, Alex, and thank you to everyone listening.
Keep practicing, keep learning, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone. Have a wonderful day.
Bye. Take care.